Hey everyone! Looking for the best cordless hedge trimmer to keep your garden neat and tidy with less effort? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top performing cordless hedge trimmers of the year, considering cutting power, battery life, features, and real life usability. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. HEMPRO Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The HEMPRO Cordless Hedge Trimmer is designed with versatility and convenience in mind. This tool is a 2-in-1 powerhouse, featuring 2 specialized blades for multiple cutting tasks. The short blade, measuring 4.7 inches, is ideal for trimming grass and small edges, making it perfect for lawns and delicate areas. The longer 8.7-inch blade is designed for fine hedges, shrubs, and ornamental plants, ensuring precise and clean cuts. Switching between the 2 blades is simple, allowing you to adapt quickly to different gardening needs. Durability has been enhanced with upgraded powder metallurgy gears, pre-coated with lubricant to reduce wear and tear. The long blade also features an aluminum bar to improve stability and safety during operation. This makes the HEMPRO Hedge Trimmer not only reliable but also long-lasting, even with regular use. Number 4. FIRA Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shear. The FIRA Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shear is an excellent lightweight option for gardeners who value portability and ease of use. This 2-in-1 tool is powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you enough runtime to complete small to medium trimming tasks around the yard. Charging is convenient with the included USB cable, allowing you to recharge the battery from a wall adapter, laptop, or even a portable power bank. With an average charging time of about 2 hours, it quickly gets back to work whenever you need it. This trimmer features 2 interchangeable blades designed for different tasks. The hedge trimming blade measures 6 inches and is capable of cutting branches up to 8 millimeters thick, while the grass shear blade is 3.8 inches wide, making it perfect for shaping edges and maintaining small garden spaces. The motor has been upgraded to deliver speeds of up to 1100 rotations per minute, ensuring efficient and precise trimming results every time. Number 3. MZK Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer. The MZK Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer is an excellent mid-range option for anyone who wants a balance of power and portability. This model runs on a 7.2-volt rechargeable battery and provides between 50 and 100 minutes of runtime on a full charge, depending on the task. With 2 interchangeable blades, it shifts easily between grass shearing and hedge trimming. The hedge trimmer blade measures 8 inches, while the grass shear is just under 3 inches wide, giving you both precision and reach for varied jobs. What makes the MZK especially appealing is its high-powered cutting ability. The upgraded steel blades operate at a speed of 1100 rotations per minute, allowing it to cut through grass, small branches, and shrubs with efficiency. The sharpness of the blades ensures clean cuts that enhance the appearance of your lawn and hedges. To maintain durability, it is recommended to clean and store the blades properly after use, which will extend their life and keep them performing at their best. Number 2. Sunjoe HJ604C Cordless Grass Shears and Trimmer. The Sunjoe HJ604C is a fantastic option for homeowners who need a compact yet efficient cordless hedge trimmer for small gardening projects. This tool is powered by a 7.2-volt lithium battery, offering cordless convenience without compromising performance. What makes this trimmer appealing is its 2-in-1 design, which allows you to switch easily between grass shears and a hedge trimming blade. The grass shear attachment measures 4 inches, while the hedge trimmer blade extends to 6 inches, giving you flexibility in handling different trimming tasks around the yard. Weighing only about 2.8 pounds, the Sunjoe HJ604C is one of the most lightweight options available, making it easy to carry and maneuver. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing strain on your wrists and arms. Despite its small size, this trimmer comes with durable steel blades that deliver clean, precise cuts. The blades are designed to last through many seasons of yard work, providing dependable performance for routine maintenance. Another reason the Sunjoe stands out is its safety and ease of operation. It features a built-in safety switch that prevents accidental starting, which is particularly important for households with children. Number 1. Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer earns the top spot on this list because it combines powerful performance, excellent versatility, and user-friendly design in one compact tool. This trimmer is powered by a rechargeable 20-volt lithium battery, giving you ample runtime for trimming shrubs, edging grass, and shaping hedges without interruption. Unlike many trimmers that limit you to a single function, this model comes with 2 interchangeable blades. The longer blade is ideal for cutting thin shoots on hedges, bushes, small trees, and ornamental plants, while the shorter blade is designed for grass and weeds, making it an excellent all-in-one gardening companion. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.